Hey curl friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Jazz and I'm back with another quick video. Even though the last one really wasn't that quick, it was kind of long, which is why I kind of left out the nighttime routine for my twist out for this video. I'm really looking at the viewfinder because I normally don't wear my glasses because of the light reflection, but I'm gonna take them off when I get myself together. So as you can see, so this is actually, I did my hair Friday night. This is now Saturday, so this is 8-day hair, and the definition is still definition. That's not a thing, but you know. So I only been wearing my hair in a pineapple at night. My nighttime routine is pretty simple. I'm gonna insert the clip here where I simply put my hair into what I call like a loose pineapple with a scarf. So yeah, I just use a hair tie and then tie my hair around. If I do this for all my styles, so tie my scarf around is what I meant. If they're like larger curls, I won't use a hair tie. I'll just tie the scarf around it and kind of let the curls hang through the top. So I'm going to a baby shower today. It's kind of a, I am. It's kind of a grand event. So I'm gonna fluff my hair as big as I can get it to the max. I'm talking, I need to move my seat because her hair is too big in front of me at the movies big. That's the goal. So one thing I do like about not really fluffing to the max on day one, because if you can see, like it's like if I flip my part to the other side, there's so much good definition untouched under there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lose the, and I'll throw one of these on as well, but I'm just gonna fluff it really big. I'm just gonna go in each section and kind of just, I'm gonna comb to the roots. It's gonna be really big. So because look at these curls that are still just on the ends. So one thing I will say about a dryer set versus air dry is that the definition is going to be different. It's just going to be different. So when you see those perfect, not a strand out of place roller sets where hairstylists are styling roller sets, because they sit them under the dryer. So I sat in the dryer for a good maybe hour, 20 minutes for this twist out. And this is day 8. And I could easily, without fluffing this to the max, go another 3 or 4. I could probably go to next weekend if I really wanted to and have a 2-week style where you don't have unnecessary manipulation. So this is great if you're transitioning out damage and you want to just leave your hair alone. I have not done anything to my hair. I haven't applied new products. Nothing. I've just been throwing my hair up, going to sleep. I think for the last 2 days, I actually was wearing my hair in a pineapple for those 2 days. Like today was the first day I took my hair down because I haven't left the house. So yeah. So let me go transform myself and you'll see how big and great this can get for day 8. Because I know a lot of people like bigger than life hair. So I'm going to give it to you one time. I ran out of time as usual. So I just wanted y'all to see though the amount of volume that I added to my already 8-day-old twist out. And as you can see, the definition has not been compromised. It's not just a frizzy mess. It's just more volume. It's just separating it even more than what you did on day 1, which I love to do because you saw what I had before. I had a decent amount of volume without separating it to the max. So then I wear it for 7-8 days and then I can take it to the next level. Not saying you have to wait 8 days, but if you're like me, I don't always necessarily want to wash my hair every week. Chasing behind a toddler, I don't have it in me like I used to. I'm actually nervous about washing my hair, to be completely honest, because I know the color fades with each wash. And I do have that jar of the little solution when this starts to fade, I'm just going to do it again. So that is my week of having a 3-strand twist out. Now keep in mind this was hooded dryer dried twist out, not air dried.
Triangle.
Now I do get this same kind of definition and longevity of this hairstyle when I keep my hair twisted for 2 days on an air dry. I feel like that first day is just to have it completely dry. That second day is just to lock in that definition. It's not going nowhere. So I do have a previous video on that where I left my hair twisted for 2 days and the definition was unreal. So it's kind of the same type of deal. The longer you leave your hair twisted, the better the definition is going to be. If you dry your hair with a hooded dryer, the definition is unmatched. It's that simple. So, yeah. I love a good twist out. It just never fails me. I used to be the twist out queen before I could ever do anything with a perm rod set. Perm rod, flexi rods, rollers. Those weren't my thing. Twist, that I could do. That's all I did. Flat twists. 2-strand twists. Braid outs. That's all I used to do. But I'm loving this. And I'm going to probably keep this until next weekend. Not going to lie. So, let me know in the comments what you would like to see next with this color. I think I want to do a perm rod set. Maybe I should do a perm rod set under the dryer so I can compare my normal sets to the dryer sets because those are a different animal as well. Mom, so, let me know in the comments what y'all want to see next. I kind of wish I owned flat irons. I would blow dry my hair and flat iron it, but I don't have flat irons for a reason. So that is it for this video. Jay, you want to come say bye?
Yes.
Yes. She glitter-fied today. Say bye.
Bye.
Anything else you want to say?
My butter stuff and my sweater right here at the corn, and this is.
All right, say bye.
Bye.
See you next time.